Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this easy and delicious homemade beef pasta. So let's get started. Over here, I have 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of dried basil leaves, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I also have 4 cloves of garlic that I roughly chopped. And I also have 2 tablespoons of sriracha, a half a tablespoon of barbecue sauce, and 1.5 tablespoons of ketchup. I also have 1 can of tomato sauce and 180 grams of cheese. I cut it up. You can shred it if you'd like. It's all going to be melted into the pasta, so do whatever is easier for you. And in terms of the pasta, I have 660 grams of dried pasta. Use whatever shape you'd like. And the last ingredient is half a kg of ground beef. So the first step is to boil the pasta in salted water. After you've got that started, you can start working on the sauce. So for the sauce, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil just heating up in the pot on medium-high heat. I'm adding in my garlic and just letting that cook for a little bit. So after you've got your garlic nice and browned a little, not burnt, you want to add in your beef. I messed up a little bit and accidentally added my sauce. That's fine. I took the sauce out and added my beef in. Okay, so before you add the spices in, you want to make sure that your beef starts to get nice and brown. After you've reached that stage, you can add in your spices. So once your beef is cooked, you want to reduce the heat a little bit and add in your tomato sauce. This is because once you put the tomatoes in, it starts to splatter everywhere. So this is also the time where you can add in your other sauces, your sriracha, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. Mix it in and reduce the heat a little bit and put it to the side to let it cook. In the meantime, we're back with our pasta. Our pasta is cooked to our liking, but what I'm doing here is I'm taking a cup and I'm taking some of that pasta water out. This pasta water will help me thin out my sauce if I think it's a little too thick. It's not necessary that you put it in, but if you need to thin it out, this is what you should thin it out with. So over here, I'm back to my pasta sauce. It is done to my liking. Everything tastes good. So make sure you guys check the salt and the pepper and adjust to your liking. At this point, I'm going to add in some of my cheese. Adding the cheese in makes it nice and rich and creamy, and it just tastes so good. So after I've added my cheese in, I'm going to add the pasta in and I'm going to mix it well, just make sure that all of the noodles are coated in that delicious sauce. At this point, I'm also adding a little bit of the pasta water I have. I would say I added 1/4 of a cup. After that, I'm just going to top it off with some shredded cheese that I have. This is optional. You can add in as much cheese as you would like. We like our pasta to be nice and cheesy, so I did use a little bit more. And there you go. At the end, it should look something like this. It's so good, and you should eat it while it's hot. This also stores really well. So if there's any leftovers, just keep it in the fridge and microwave it whenever you want to eat it, and it's really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time.